Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, reading po ito for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, of course. Hindi ko naman po talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng water sign sa mundo. But if you want, pwede kayong magpabook ng personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Ako po meron akong astrological reading, palm reading, and tarot reading na available doon sa aking TikTok shop. But if you are willing to wait, kung willing kang maghintay. Okay? But honestly, ayan, you can ask those people na na-reading ko na kung gaano po ako kumbaga kung paano ako mag-reading. They can tell. Ayan, anyway. Pakita ko na lang. Ayan. Unipree TikTok shop, and ito yung isang reason kung bakit ako busy. Charan, if you're from Las Piñas, feel free to check Jelly's Restaurant. Ayan, bisitahin mo naman yung aking resto, guys. You might want to eat only wings or marami kami pagkain doon. Check mo na lang. Anyway, for what do we have here for water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you do have your Nine of Swords. Okay, Nine of Swords, and yung isa pang main energy for you. By the way, sorry about the background, medyo maingay pa dito sa amin. Gisingan pa po yung mga tao. Wait lang po. Okay, so you do have here the Nine of Swords and the Two of Pentacles. Anong zodiac sign to? Water sign nga pala. Okay. King of Wands at the bottom of the deck. Okay, so nakikita natin that you are having problems right now with the things na pina-priority mo. I feel like it has something to do with boundaries. So, might be pina-priority mo to. Some of you, pwede may kinalaman sa boundaries or may kinalaman sa pagta-travel, or dun sa mga ibang taong malayo sa'yo. So, yeah, and I feel like there are terms or rules na ibinibigay or sinasabi sa'yo na parang hindi mo gusto. Ito, like, you're not being true to yourself. The way I see this, yeah, I can see the word travel, so maybe regarding some kind of pagta-travel. Okay? And, or yung pwedeng issues ito regarding sa place kung nasaan ka ngayon, or mga bagay na pina-priority mo ngayon, and then sa mga tao na malayo sa'yo. There's a lot of problems pagdating sa area na ito. And King of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. Also the King of Swords, dalawang king yan. So sa nakikita natin, pwedeng there's someone here na parang gusto mong mag-reach out, or ikaw ito na gusto mong mag-reach out to this person, but regarding this matter, pwedeng nagiging dahilan ito para hindi mo magawa itong pagre-reach out na ito. Yan. These people around you, nagiging masyado silang impatient, no? Parang lagi silang nagkakaroon ng galit, or bigla ang mga actions, or bigla ang mga mood na parang halimbawa ngayon okay, and then later parang hindi na naman sila okay. So it's causing a lot of problems here. Hindi mo maiwasan eh. I feel like you care a lot dito sa mga taong ito. Okay? And medyo mahirap para sa'yo. Kasi hindi mo rin alam kung ano yung gagawin mong actions. para ka naiipit sa sitwasyon. Anyway, sino ba 'tong person na ka-connect mo pagdating sa love? For the sign of water sign. Nakaka-feel kasi ako ng energy ng earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Scorpio. Anyway, this is water sign, so. But you could be dealing with those signs na nabanggit ko. Page of Wands and the Judgment. Justice card at the bottom of the deck. So, I can see communication between you and this person. And the Judgment and the Page of Wands and the Justice card. So, pwede may mga binanggit or sinabi siyang katotohanan sa'yo. And, or may mga nalaman na totoo or katotohanan regarding dito sa connection na ito. This person with the Judgment is a person na pwedeng either nagising siya sa katotohanan sa inyong dalawa or siya yung nakapagpagising sa'yo. I don't know, something to do with awakening. And this is like a hard truth here with the Justice card. So, ano yung mga emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? The Tower is here. Hindi ko to kukunin, masyadong marami. What's with the Tower? For the sign of, masyado pa rin marami, hindi ko to kukunin. Emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa. The Hanged Man. And the Four of Cups. Okay, I feel like nagkakaroon ng ending sa inyo dalawa nitong person na to, ending of actions, but not the emotions. Okay? Nagkakaroon ng ending sa situation or sa actions. Pwedeng ikaw may mga actions ka na ini-end sa sarili mo. But I feel like you're really interested dito sa person na ito. Interesado ka sa kanya kasi parang hindi mo makita sa situation mo ngayon or sa if you're dealing with other people in your life, whether may kinalaman sa career or may kinalaman sa love, pwedeng hindi mo nakikita dito yung mga bagay na hinahanap mo. You want improvement with regards sa stuff na meron ka na ngayon, but there's nothing na nakikita mo na maganda or so I feel like you're waiting. Naghihintay ka pa rin dito sa person na ito. Naghihintay ka sa the Temperance and the Hanged Man, these are waiting cards. And you feel like mas better yung the grass is better on the other side, parang ganun. Parang mas better yung connection or na mas better itong person na ito and mas better yung situation niya kumpara sa'yo. Like you want to go to this person's side. Parang naghihintay ka ng maybe some kind of ending with the Tower regarding dito sa nagiging problema dito. If there's a new relationship, new connection, I can see that there's a lot of patience. Okay? Dito sa connection na ito. There's communication sa inyo if there's a new person. May communication with the new person pero nagiging practical and I can feel a lot of suspicious energy. So pwedeng ikaw ito na parang hindi ka pa masyadong tiwala with this new person or vice versa. The new person hindi siya pa ganon katiwala sa'yo. Okay? So ito yung nagkikreate ng drama or masyadong maraming emotions dito. Anyway, let's talk about the person that you are dealing with. Six of Cups. This could be a person in the past. Seven of Wands. You could be dealing with a person na sobra-sobra yung meron siya. And I feel like gusto niyang ibigay or i-offer itong mga bagay na meron siya with you or gusto niyang i-share sa'yo. So, pwedeng may mayaman, pwedeng ganun, or may kaya sa buhay because I can see a person na parang walang problema pagdating sa bagay na yun. Or someone who is very talented, marami siyang talent. Pwedeng nagagamit niya yung mga talents na yun sa kanyang work, career. Take only what resonates, guys. In the near future, you have here the Ten of Cups and the Lovers. Five of Cups. Clarify the Ten of Cups. And there's this Four of Swords. What's with the Four of Swords? Ace of Pentacles. The Wheel of Fortune. Six of Pentacles. The King of Wands and the Seven of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Wands. So, dalawa yung number 10. Definitely there's an ending in the near future. Pero nakita tayo ng new beginning for you. Marami ang mababago. So, after nitong ending na to, maraming mababago. I can see water. So, water sign could be dealing with another water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Or meron siyang water sign sa kanyang chart. Sun, Moon, and Rising. And nakakita tayo dito ng I feel like there's an offer in the near future, new opportunity, new offer. I mean, if there's boundaries na ibinibigay sa'yo, and hindi mo alam or hindi mo gusto tong boundaries na ito, I feel like you need to learn how to say no. Diba? Parang kailangan mo namang bigyan yung sarili mo ng freedom to do things na gusto mo naman talagang gawin. If someone is telling you not to do this, not to do that, pero gusto mong gawin, and sometimes you need to be more selfish. Isipin mo rin ang sarili mo. Because this person, I feel like may pagbabago regarding sa pakikipag-connect niya sa'yo in the near future. I feel like sometimes kailangan mong tanggapin kung ano yung mga bagay na binibigay sa'yo ng universe. Like, if the universe gave you this, gave you that, and alam mo sa sarili mo na gusto mo to, you have to accept it openly and just trust the process. Nakita ko ng cinnamon. I don't know if you're eating something na may cinnamon. Ten of Wands is here. So, definitely may mga ending in the near future para sa'yo. Four of Pentacles and the Fool. Yung iba sa inyo, you need to save money. Kailangan mo mag-ipon. Feel like may mga bagay na itatake mo ng risk in the near future, pero maganda kung magtatake ka ng risk dito. Kailangan may ipon ka or may pera ka. Yeah, because maybe etong new beginning na ito, kailangan mong maglaan ng pera dito. If with regards to your connection with this person, mag-expect ka na ng big change sa connection ninyong dalawa. It could be positive, it could be negative, it depends. Kung ano man yung mga nagiging delay dito sa connection nito, parte yun eh, para magkaroon ng growth sa connection ninyo. Okay, or para sa'yo. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. And please do comment down below. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.